Are you ready? Please, don't get choked. Don't try to patronize or impress anybody. Don't get choked.
Okay.
Go front. So. Are you ready now?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Start! Na competition with this. I don't understand. She's still the one. So I thought he said that we.
It's a good one.
All right, guys. I don't understand though. Is this your competition? I don't understand though. You are just on one and somebody has eaten like 3 or going to 4 7. You're still on one. Please, this is not a competition. Please, like I said, we need 7 people. Please DM me. Make sure that you stay here in Lagos. Please, I don't know where you will be or where you're in Lagos, where you go there for Lagos, but make sure you are in Lagos. So I'm gonna put something competition that we want to start very soon.
In Lagos.
We have one contestant already, so we need 7 people. Please DM me if you want to challenge all our foodies, all the foodies. If you know you are good in eating, DM me so that we can pick you. Then we'll put match for you. If you stand a chance to win everybody, you stand a chance to win 200,000 cash. So, DM me. Please, guys. Who is your winner? Spanner is, don't shout it. Spanner just finished her. This is not a competition, like I said. So, guys, see you soon, and God bless you.